How's it going, people? We are on Lake Weir today. Here in first weekend of April. First weekend of April. Just put in at the Hope boat ramp. Last minute trip, no planning really. Just wanted to get out on the water, so Mike and I are out today. I'm in the Stingray, Mike's in the lure. And we're gonna go looking for some bass. Wish us some luck. Good thing it got those fish grips. Mike with a pickerel, chain pickerel. What'd you catch him on?
He just took it, broke the line.
Ah, what was it? Rattle trap. Alright folks, I'm throwing this topwater whopper plopper in this frog color. I know it really doesn't matter for the fish, all they see is the bottom silhouette. But I like it, so that's why I bought it. And I find that the bigger whopper plopper, you have the smaller one and I have the 130, the 90 and the 130. The 130, as soon as it hits the water, if you want to reel it in, it'll plop, 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 plop. The small one, the 90s, you have to kind of work with them a little bit and get them to work on the top. And they aren't as consistent in their splashing and plopping. So I figure anything a pound and up will hit this bigger one. So that's all I care about. I'm not going to go for the little fish today. And hopefully I'll get a strike on this. It's in the evening here at Lake Weir, afternoon. And it's in the afternoon at Lake Weir, so hopefully the topwater bite will start. There's not much wind at all. It's pretty nice. Hope to get a hit. Yeah, a whopper plopper. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Nice bass, Florida bass. Let's measure him up. He is 20 inches. Sweet. Okay, so I had a nice little distracting evening out here on Lake Weir. Caught a nice bass. Beautiful day out, beautiful evening out. So it was a good time. I do like coming out here. So far I've had really good trips out here on the Eddie Gear Stingray. Mike really liked the Feel Free lure. But I consider this my lucky line cutter rig, my new green one. Got biggest bass I've ever caught here on Lake Weir anyway. And gonna make sure I bring it along for the other trips. But I'm gonna head back now. It's not gonna take me long. We're not far from the dock. We're just a quarter of a mile, if that, from the dock. So, there's a lot of boat traffic, but it's out further. Give you guys a little view of what we're doing.